Hello everyone, welcome to next week. So we are doing module 5, and module 5 will give you information on the physical development in infancy and toddlerhood. So now you're starting this section, the very first section basically, which will be helpful for your observation assignment. So I would encourage you to start reading the chapters. Maybe we won't be able to do all of them before the due date, but you have a textbook, right? So you need to start reading all those chapters so we can keep up with the timeline for the course. So in this module you have the following objectives which we will be accomplishing. So the physical changes that occur during the first 2 years of life, and there are some reflexes infants have when they're born. So you learn about them and discuss the sleep they need to have first 2 years of life. Summarize the sequence of both their fine and gross motor skills. So this is very crucial for your observation assignment, that you know what their fine and gross motor skills are, so you can write that in your paper. And recognize the developing sensory capacity for them, and also their nutritional needs, because it changes so frequently from infancy to toddlerhood. So these are the objectives which we will accomplish by reading the chapter, participate in the discussion, and also we'll submit the chapter quiz. And next item in this is the chapter itself. Please read this chapter. Then I have a PowerPoint, and then you will find so many great videos here, and I will add more when I publish the module. And then we have a discussion board for physical development. So please read it carefully and then follow the guideline as I mentioned, and there should be a rubric you need to follow. But mainly I gave you this guideline, which is that initial post should be at least 2 paragraphs long, and 1 paragraph is 5 to 7 sentences long, and then you will be replying to 2 of your peers, and the same rule applies there. So one peer response should be 1 paragraph, so meaning 2 paragraphs for the entire post. And you can see that I highlighted this, that please put your initial post by Wednesday, so people have chance to read and reply back when the due date is either Saturday or Sunday. So please check for that and before you initiate this module. And there is another learning activity which is just for your more knowledge about the feeding needs during infancy. So it's a assignment, so you can just type in the box and you're good to go. So just make sure that you are providing this information here. And then you have a reflection for the module as usual, and then we have end of module 5. Then you accomplish this objectives we set up for us. So that's about it, and I will see you next week.